Create your own budget smartwatch. DIY guide. Have you ever wanted a smartwatch but the high prices stopped you? What if I told you that you could create your own fully functional smartwatch at home for under $50, using parts you can easily order on Amazon? In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need, from parts to assembly to setup, so you can enjoy the features of a smartwatch without breaking the bank. By the end, you'll have a stylish, personalized smartwatch that you built yourself, and the knowledge to upgrade or repair it anytime. Why build your own smartwatch? Commercial smartwatches can cost anywhere between $150 to $500. They often come with limitations. Locked software, no customization, and expensive repairs. When you build your own, you control the cost, the design, the features, and even the apps you run. You're not just wearing tech, you're wearing your creativity. The core components you'll need. Here's a breakdown of the parts required, all affordable and compatible. Arduino Nano 33 BLE, the brain of your smartwatch. Compact, low-power, Bluetooth ready. Price $12. 1.54-inch TFT LCD display, crisp, colorful watch face. Price $10. TP 4056 charging module, safe USB charging. Price $3. 3.7 volts, 500 milliamp hours LiPo battery, small, lightweight, powers your watch for hours. Price $6. MAX 30102 heart rate and SpO2 sensor tracks pulse and oxygen levels. Price $5. Vibration motor, notifications you can feel. Price $2. 3D printed or pre-made watch case, holds components securely. Price $8. Silicone watch straps, comfortable and durable. Price $4. Total cost under $50, significantly cheaper than retail smartwatches. Tools you'll need: small Phillips screwdriver, precision tweezers, T-fine tip soldering iron and solder wire, heat shrink tubing or electrical tape, double-sided adhesive or hot glue optional. 3D printer for custom casing. Step 1. Preparing your workspace. Clear your workspace, ensure good lighting, and have containers for screws. Small parts can easily get lost. Step 2. Mounting the display. Secure the display module in the watch case using adhesive or screws. Make sure the ribbon cable is accessible for connecting to the Arduino board. Step 3. Installing the processor board. Position the Arduino Nano behind the display. Align the USB port with the case opening and secure it in place. Step 4. Wiring the display to the board. Connect power, ground, and data lines as per your wiring diagram. Double-check connections before soldering. Step 5. Adding the heart rate sensor. Mount the MAX 30102 sensor on the underside of the case to touch your skin. Run the wires neatly along the case edges and connect to the board. Step 6. Attaching the battery. Place the LiPo battery securely inside the case. Connect it to the TP 4056 charging module, then link the module to the Arduino. Step 7. Installing the vibration motor. Position the vibration motor snugly inside the case, so notifications are felt without pressing against other components. Step 8. Final wiring check and case closure. Double-check all wiring for loose connections or polarity errors. Carefully close the case, ensuring nothing is pinched. Attach the silicone straps. Step 9. Installing the software. Connect your Arduino to a computer and upload open-source smartwatch firmware like OpenWatch or WatchOS. These allow your watch to display time, monitor heart rate, and even connect to a smartphone for notifications. Step 10. Adding features: heart rate monitor. The MAX 30102 module reads pulse data and displays it on the watch. Step tracking. Using built-in accelerometer features in the Arduino Nano. Bluetooth notifications. Receive call, message, or app alerts from your phone. Custom watch faces. Choose digital or analog designs that suit your style. Step 11. Battery life and power management. On a full charge, the smartwatch can last 2 to 5 days depending on usage and display type. Enable sleep mode or reduce screen brightness for extended battery life. Charge using USB-C or micro USB through the TP 4056 module. Step 12. Real-life applications. Your DIY smartwatch can track fitness metrics like steps, heart rate, and calories, display notifications for calls and messages, act as a mini personal assistant for reminders or timers, teach you coding, electronics, and wearable tech design. Step 13. Cost versus benefit. Total DIY cost: $35 to $50 retail equivalent. $200 plus, you save hundreds of dollars and gain a fully customizable, repairable device. Final tips for success: take your time with wiring and soldering. Neat connections prevent future issues. Test each component before final assembly. Experiment with features. That's the fun of a DIY smartwatch. Outrow, and that's it. You've built your very own budget smartwatch, fully functional, fully personal, and ready to wear. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves tech DIY projects. Stay tuned for more tutorials, upgrades, and wearable tech hacks.
No need to ask why. No need to ask why. Life upgrade, now let's soar high. With every click, watch yourself fly. From zero to hero, touch the sky. Your better life, no need to ask why. 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 We dream big in cyberspace, lighting up the glowing rays. From pixels to your embrace, change your life at rocket pace. We dream big in cyberspace, lighting up the glowing rays. From pixels to your embrace, change your life at rocket pace. Stack your coins and build your mind. Health and wealth are intertwined. Rise above the everyday grind. Find the future you will find. Life upgrade, now let's soar high. With every click, watch yourself fly. From zero to hero, touch the sky. Your better life, no need to ask why. Skills that shape the scene, elevate to places unseen, growing strength like evergreen. In this life, you're the queen or king. No more time to hesitate. Success waits, don't be late. Break the chains and change your fate. With us upgrade, now integrate. Life upgrade, now let's soar high. With every click, watch yourself fly. From zero to hero, touch the sky. Your better life, no need to ask why.